All right, and I am back with another video, and y'all already know what it is. It's the cereal collection, and the one I got on is Fruity Pebbles, but we're gonna call it Fruity to be on the safe side. So yeah, y'all already seen the Lucky Charms one. I went on ahead and put that one out because, you know, Pride Month, and I felt like it goes together with Pride Month. Plus, I wanted to get at least one of the cereal ones out the way because we got 5. We got 5 different cereals. I thought we only had 4, but we got 5. If I would have known that, I would have reduced one of them. I didn't really want. I wanted at least 4 cereal types, but it's 5 of them, y'all. So yeah. So yeah, this one, Fruity. This one is called Fruity, and I am wearing a medium, of course. And like I was saying on Instagram, I was saying, I am wearing a medium. And medium is my size, and I'm sticking to it. I am sticking to a medium, okay? We're not going up a size. We only going down sizes. And that's include the long pants too. The long pants. We losing weight over here. We are losing weight. So yeah, I am in a medium. No butt flap on this one. At least not this one, but there will be some with butt flaps on it in the future. And yeah, so all right, so yeah, I already seen the Lucky Charm one, the Fruity, and now there's 3 more cereal ones. So I'm not gonna do that one today. I am gonna save that for another day. So it really doesn't matter as long as it's attached to this video. So yeah, it's 3 more cereal ones that I have to do, and I'm gonna make this one a cereal romper onesie edition video. So yeah, the other 3 is definitely gonna be the next day, y'all, cause I already did some other stuff. This is like my 4th haul that I've done. All right, y'all. So yeah, and I haven't even posted the second one yet. The second haul. But all right, y'all, see y'all in the next look a few days later. So this is a peanut butter crunch, Captain Crunch. I called it peanut butter crunch. But anyways, I forgot that this one was actually mid sleeves. I thought it was short sleeves, but I did put this one as mid sleeve because I did kind of want it to be long sleeve. So I was like mid sleeve. But yeah, this one is peanut butter crunch. And I went on Instagram to see how many people like this cereal. A few people didn't, a few people did like it, but it doesn't matter. Not many of these, and we are not restocking anyways. So yeah, this one is the same thing. No butt flap. I'm not about to turn around. Yeah. All right. Let's get into the next one. All right. So next up, we got Cocoa Pebbles, but we're gonna call it Cocoa. Yeah, one of my favorite cereals. I think I like Fruity Pebbles cereal better than Cocoa Pebbles cereal. But anyway, what's your favorite cereal? Let me know in the comments below, please. Yeah. So anyway, this one is the same thing. This one is short sleeve, and no butt flap, so I don't even have to turn around. And yeah, that's all for this one. So I'll turn around some more when y'all start liking and commenting, but y'all already know. All I gotta do is just say no butt flap. That's it. Just take my word for it. All right, I'm about to get into our last cereal one. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, I did Fruity Pebbles. I already did Lucky Charms. Make sure y'all check out a few hauls before this one. Y'all see me in the Lucky Charms one. So yeah. All right, next. All right, y'all. So last but not least, cinnamon toast crunch. Yep, same thing. This one is short sleeves. I'm wearing a size medium, and this one has no butt flap. Take my word for it, this one has no butt flap. Yep. And I decided to stop at the 4th button. I should have did another button, because matter of fact, I might start just buttoning them all the way up. I'm just gonna start buttoning them all the way up just for YouTube, okay? For YouTube. Anyways, yeah, so that's it. I'm losing light. It's about to rain. First it's sunshine out, then the sun gone. I'm tired, so this is definitely gonna be the last one. I was gonna do a little bit more, maybe a couple of more, but I'll save it for the next day because I still got other stuff that's not posted yet. So I think I'm ahead of the game. So anyways, y'all, so that's it for this one. For the cereal collection, no restocks. Yeah, make sure you follow our Instagram, No Sleep Boutique LLC, for more. And that's it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more try-on hauls. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.